This is the aftermath of the car show in Durham Park. A lot of everybody's leaving now. Yay! This one here got first place in the same class as me, and I got second place. Coolio. And this is the aftermath and let the kids run amok. All the chalk artwork. Some scribbles, some handprints, some names. Hey! Ha! Silly guy. Yeah, a lot of coloring, a lot of names, a lot of messages. A lot of cool stuff. A lot of cool stuff.
Do I get the case for it so you can keep the pieces all together on the table? Yeah,
There's a YouTube thing. And here's the tag. Sharp I sent. A lot of kids did all the YouTubes, buttons, Instagrams, a lot of other stuff. Got some names. A lot of cool names. A lot of cool kids. I even got some of the adults signing it. And this is Isaac was here. So was Brooks. So was Red. The Shawshank thing. A lot of cool artwork. A lot of cool kids writing all kinds of cool stuff. Got some flames going on. Awesome. Gotta love it. Anyways, this is 1948 Chop Top Lowrider School Bus hitting switches. Alright, I'll talk to y'all later.